Hey, welcome back to my channel, Chatting with Chops. My name is Karen and I try and make fun and entertaining videos that might teach you something. And today I had a question for you. How many of y'all have made vegan banana bread? Well, that's what we're gonna do today, so let's get started. So today we're gonna make some banana bread. The first thing that I have done is put a half a stick of vegan butter in my bowl ready to mix in just a minute, but it's supposed to be at room temperature, so I'm getting it at room temperature. And then also what I did was I mashed up about 4 medium-sized bananas to do my banana mix for the banana bread. Then the next thing the recipe is asking me to do is I need to put my flour, which is 2 cups of flour, one, and so 2 cups of flour, and then baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, salt, and since this is a bread type recipe, I am going to put salt in it. You know, I don't like to put salt in my recipes, but we're going to put salt. And then the last thing we need to put in here is the cinnamon, and the recipe asks for half a teaspoon of cinnamon, which we love cinnamon, so I'm just going to put a regular teaspoon. And then always remember that you want to mix whatever you've put in this dry ingredients bowl, mix it up so that you don't end up with like a solid piece of cinnamon in your banana bread and there's no cinnamon anywhere else in your recipe. So we've got that mixed in. So we've whisked the flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon together in a bowl. And now we have our butter, and we're about to put our brown sugar in that bowl. And we're going to mix that up until it is nice and creamy. So we need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so let's get that mixed up all nice. The next thing we want to put in our recipe is what they're asking for, eggs, which of course we're not going to put eggs because this is a vegan recipe. We're going to use our applesauce. So this is 4 ounces, so that would be the equivalent of 2 eggs. We're going to put that down in there. And then we're going to let it mix up really well. Now you want to put 1/3 of a cup of Greek yogurt in. You can use plain yogurt if you want to. The recipe I'm using suggested Greek, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay. And then you're going to put in your mashed bananas. Again, this was about 2 cups. Okay. And then you want to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to mix this in, make sure everything's mixed in really, really well. So the next step is to mix in your dry ingredients into your wet. So we're going to do that. Remember, this was our flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. So we're going to put that into our wet mixture and try not to overmix it because, again, you are working with bread. What you're going to do is you're going to put this in a 375-degree oven for 60 to 65 minutes will be your timer. However, after about 30 minutes, you want to put a piece of aluminum foil loosely over the top so that it kind of brings the temperature down a little bit. for the remaining 30 minutes. Okay. See if y'all can see what I'm doing here. And yes, I am definitely a messy cook. I try to keep things tidy, but you know, sometimes these recipes just don't work out that way, do they? Okay. I'm just going to kind of get that nice and even. So here's the banana bread. Let's see what kind of slices we get off of this. Alright, well there you go. There is my vegan banana bread with pecans in it. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up so I can keep growing my channel, and I will see you on the next bake.